Welcome to Paragon Fertility Clinic, located on Ratchadapasek Road, one of Bangkok key commercial district. Its services include fertility treatment, gene diagnostic, and medical checkup. All professional doctors and embryologists have over 10 years of experience. We serve our valuable customers with technology equipment and high-standard laboratory, and we take care of them with international customer service and a warm welcome. We are happy to serve our customers 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, to make your dream and happiness come true at a reasonable price. Our high-quality laboratory is designed in accordance with international standards. The control cleanness, Class 1000, pollution, VOC, and stable temperature and humidity by HVAC system. Medical level component to protect a valuable customer oocyte and embryo. We are delighted to present our laboratory instrument. We use cutting-edge technology for oocyte collection, ICSI, biopsy, and embryo transfer. In a fully environment-controlled closed system, the channel there acts inside the uterus to maintain the quality of the oocyte and embryo to generate higher success. A time-lapse culture system is used to analyze and select the highest quality embryo for transfer. The improvement of Britannia real-time monitoring and data locker system for laboratory quality management is beneficial in preventing instrument error that will influence the quality of the embryo. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we use a high standard of protection for a customer and employee by using the nasopharyngeal swab test by biosafety boot, positive pressure, cleaning and coating solution on the surface, medical grade air purifier for airborne disease, coverage throughout the clinic area.
Welcome to Paragon Fertility Clinic. You are now in our IVF laboratory. This room is temperature controlled and also for humidity and positive pressures. Early of the day, once the embryologist come in this room, she will go and check for positive pressures and the temperature 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and humidity between 30 to 60 degrees. After that, she needs to check for the refrigerator temperature and the freezer temperature. Following that, she will then go and check for the gas concentration, CO2 and oxygen within all incubators of the room. Another QC of the day, including the particle check and also the VOC counters, as well as the CO2 leak and oxygen alarm that should be installed within the facilities, including in this lab as well. This room is connected to the operative theater and also through this passing box, which we can take the follicular fluid sample out from the operative theater and put it in the IVF workstation. All IVF procedures is worked under environmental control. This is the modified laminar flow containing 6% carbon dioxide and 5% oxygen, basically low oxygen CO2 incubators. And we also install the stereo microscope inside this one with heated surface for oversight searching. Inside this chamber, also the screen that the embryologist can see, and also this screen is connected to the operative theater behind me, so the doctor can also see what's going on within this chamber. This is our ICSI station, another closed system modified laminar flow with 6% CO2 and 5% oxygen with temperature control. We install the inverted microscope within this chamber, and we use the piezoelectric ICSI for fragile oversight and also the IMSI and spindle wheel. This is our standard ICSI procedures. On the far side of the lab, less busy but has to be easy accessible, we install the benchtop incubators. This benchtop incubator is connected with the Britannia alarming system, so we can monitor, basically have the data log system for the temperatures and the currents that go into this machine. We decided to use this benchtop rather than the big incubator because it is established that the benchtop incubator is easily controlled and also is easily reversible, and it can basically produce more successful outcome. In the lab, you should have reserved benchtop incubator, which is this one. So we use this one in case that this incubator has gone failure. So we also have the reserve. Also in this area, we can use this area for the freezing and thawing. This is a cryo tub and this is the cryo block. Okay, and also this is for thawing. So this stage warmer has 25 degrees on the side and 37 degrees in the middle. So you can basically put the thawing samples on the side first and then gone into the middle for the second step. In this lab, we also install the time-lapse embryoscope. This one can monitor the embryos from day 0 until day 5. So we gain understanding about how embryo growth and use for embryo selection for embryo transfer. This is the carbon dioxide incubator, but we didn't use it to culture embryo anymore. So now we move our embryos to the benchtop incubator previously mentioned. This one is just for warming reagents and instruments to use it in the lab. The reason why we move from this big incubator into the benchtop is basically because of the evidence that use the benchtop can increase the pregnancy rate up to 15%. This one is not currently in use. Basically, it's our in reserve isolate. to use for oocyte searching and the embryo transfer. So you can load embryo from here, or you can search the oocyte within here. This one can install the gas, gasoline CO2, and also warm gas. So this is basically temperature control and the gas control as well. And we didn't use it now because now we move to all the closed system on the other side, but we just keep it as our reserve. Okay, now you are in the cryopreservation room. The Thai regulations state that you should have separate cryopreservation room from the IVF laboratory. Also, you need to have separate liquid nitrogen tank for infectious embryos and gametes. So this is the infectious embryo tank, infectious sperm tank, non-infectious sperm, non-infectious embryos, non-infectious oocytes. When I say infectious, it's mainly the hepatitis B, hepatitis C. And if you have the HIV positive, you also need to have another one as well. All liquid nitrogen tank connected with the Britannia alarming system. This one can maintain and also tell us about the temperatures. And also in this room, we install the oxygen depletion monitor. So one is gone round, meaning that there's a leakage of the liquid nitrogen. Okay, on this side, we have the transport liquid nitrogen tank, and we used to refill the liquid nitrogen tank from outside from here. And we have freezers and the fridge with data log for keeping the IVF media and everything. Okay, now the monitor gone loud, so we need to evacuate. Also connect to the cryopreservation room is our andrology lab. So this room has the pass box from the sperm collection room outside, and we have the laminar flow with the microscope, and also we have the incubator used for sperm preparation. And because we didn't have that many cycles, so we didn't invest in the CASA system, but we have the lens hooks, which is basically the mini CASA system. So this one can also report similar to the CASA system.